everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, let's take a look at the EPS polystyrene waffle slab mold we export to Australia. This is 300mm height waffle, which is the most popular size in the market. Here we go. If you have any question, please let us know. We love questions. Questions are great that give us ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, please let me know about it. I'll see you next video.